Imagine a world where art evolves before your eyes, like an octopus seamlessly blending into its surroundings. AI algorithms create dynamic masterpieces that shift and transform, responding to every input and environment. Witness the magic of AI-generated art that adapts in real time, a canvas alive with creativity. From vibrant colors to intricate patterns, AI's versatility knows no bounds. As we look ahead, inspired by nature's adaptive brilliance, AI stands poised to revolutionize the very essence of art itself.